She's so vulnerable, like china in my hands. She's so vulnerable, and I don't understand. I could never hurt the one I love. She's all I got, but she's so vulnerable, oh so vulnerable. Days like these, no one should be alone.
Good morning, morning. Yan pa po ang ating tatakbuhin. Kanina 1,860 yan. Per shift. Nabawasan na. Rest lang tayo ng 45. And go again. Yan po. Yan o. Natitira natin.